Welcome back to Compare and Share. If you've ever dreamed of turning your kitchen into a cafe, today's showdown is for you. Two bean-to-cup legends, Philips versus Sage. Which one will transform your mornings? In this video, we're diving into specs, real user reviews, emotional impact, and the best deals online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which machine fits your lifestyle, and you'll be ready to grab it at the best price. Affiliate links are waiting for you at the top of the description, where you can get more information about the Espresso machines. Philips specs. Let's start with the Philips 3300 series. It's a fully automatic bean-to-cup system with a Latte Go milk frother that's the fastest to clean on the market. You get 6 hot and iced drinks at the touch of a button, a ceramic grinder for long-lasting flavor, and 40% quieter brewing thanks to Silent Brew tech. Philips reviews. Here's what real users are saying. Barista-level coffee at home, rich espresso, perfect creamer, and easy cleanup. Super intuitive and customizable, adjust strength, temperature, and milk froth to suit every taste. Quiet, sleek, and reliable, quieter than older machines and consistently smooth flavor. Perfect for busy mornings, cappuccino in under a minute, fast and delicious, almost perfect, just a few quirks. The drip tray fills quickly, and app setup took a couple of tries, but once it's running, it's smooth sailing. Sage specs. Now let's look at the Sage Barista Express. This semi-automatic espresso machine features an integrated grinder, a manual steam wand for latte art, a pressure gauge for perfect extraction, and a premium stainless steel build. It's ideal for coffee lovers who enjoy a hands-on brewing experience. Sage reviews. Here's what Sage users are saying. A coffee lover's dream come true. Velvety espresso and cafe-quality microfoam every time. Built like a tank, brews like a pro, solid construction and consistent results. Perfect for learning and experimenting, great for beginners who want to master espresso making. Stylish, powerful and satisfying, looks stunning and performs beautifully. Great machine, but a bit of a learning curve. It's not fully automatic, so you'll need to learn the basics, but it's incredibly rewarding once you do. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly ground beans, crafting your perfect cup with ease, and sipping cafe-quality coffee in your pajamas. These machines aren't just appliances, they're rituals. They turn ordinary mornings into moments of joy. These deals won't last forever. If you're serious about upgrading your coffee game, check the top of the description right now. We've found the best prices online. Don't miss out. Which one suits your lifestyle? Want simplicity, speed, and silky milk foam? Go Philips. Crave control, craftsmanship, and cafe artistry? Go Sage. Either way, you're getting a powerhouse. Click the links in the description to grab yours today. Your perfect cup is just one click away. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, give us a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more honest comparisons. Thank you for supporting Compare and Share. We appreciate every single one of you with all our heart.